Hey there, everyone. How's it going? My name is Andy. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about LeanBiome before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings for you, so make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to avoid losing your money. First and foremost, be cautious about where you purchase LeanBiome. This product is currently sold only on the official website. To make it easier for you, I've included the link to the official website in the video description and pinned it in the first comment below. I'm here in the corner of the screen to share my experience and help you decide if LeanBiome is the right choice for you. What is LeanBiome? LeanBiome is a revolutionary weight loss solution designed to improve gut health with beneficial strains of gut bacteria. These strains work quickly to help you lose weight by balancing the mix of good and bad bacteria in your digestive system. This balance helps reduce cravings and boosts energy levels. Manufactured by Lean for Good, LeanBiome is a dietary supplement created to support weight loss and maintain results over time. This supplement was developed based on cutting-edge Ivy League research, which highlights the role of lean bacteria in effective weight loss. LeanBiome aims to restore your gut's healthy bacterial composition, promoting weight management by incorporating probiotics, prebiotics, green tea extract, and other natural ingredients that aid digestion. Each bottle contains 30 non-GMO, vegan capsules, providing a 1-month supply. It's produced in a US-based facility that adheres to strict GMP and FDA quality and safety standards. How does LeanBiome work? LeanBiome's process begins with a detox phase, which helps eliminate accumulated toxins, free radicals, and oxidative stress from your body. This improves blood flow and kickstarts your body's natural fat-burning processes. The supplement introduces lean bacteria into your gut microbiome, enhancing metabolism and significantly reducing fat storage. It also curbs hunger and prevents overeating, making it easier to consume fewer calories. Additionally, LeanBiome speeds up the conversion of carbohydrates into energy. LeanBiome uses doctor capsules, which protect the beneficial bacteria inside from being destroyed by stomach acid, ensuring maximum effectiveness. So, if you're considering LeanBiome, make sure to get it from the official website to ensure you're purchasing a genuine product. I hope this review helps you make an informed decision.